guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel and my summer trend guide. This week I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm bringing you with me to Jamaica. Yes, man. So a bunch of you asked me about swimsuit trends for summer. So in today's summer trend guide, I'm showing you a bunch of my favorite swimsuit trends and my friends as well. So make sure to subscribe if you don't already, and let's head to the beach. One-piece swimsuits are huge this summer. When I'm doing a one-piece, I still like to show a little bit of skin, so you'll notice that this one has some cutouts on the side. It has really cute geometric details, but my favorite part about it is since it's black, you can dress it up so you can take it from the pool to cocktails. So to do this, I threw on a flowy pair of black pants. They're super comfortable. I wore them when I went to a resort last summer, and it almost gives the illusion of a jumpsuit. So I can take my swimsuit straight from the beach or the pool right into cocktail time. Another way to do a cutout swimsuits with a one piece is by showing off your midsection, like my friend Naty of Naty Michelle did. So she did this cute suit that has a floral print, and since it's open in the stomach area, it almost gives the illusion of a bikini, but it's actually a one piece. And then she threw on a little kimono, which is one of my favorite accessories as well for a summer vacation. Another way to do a one piece is with a floral print. So florals are huge for summer if you remember my bold floral trend guide. So this suit has a cute little lace-up detail in back, so that's the way I'm showing skin here. And it has a V neckline, which almost makes it look like a bodysuit when you pair it with a skirt. So I paired it with a white linen skirt that I've also had for a few different resort seasons now. And that way I can take my swimsuit from the beach to lunch with ease, and it really just doubles as a bodysuit. Another way to do florals is with embroidery. So this is more of a boho vibe. Again, it's black, but it has the floral print, so it feels more tropical. One of my favorite parts about this suit is the little fringe details. So that's another thing you can look out for, is fun fringe details in swimwear. So the fringe and the florals gives it that boho vibe. So I paired it with a crochet cover-up. I've worn this crochet cover-up a bunch of times on beach vacations, and it's just super easy to throw on when you're heading from the beach inside. Another huge trend we're seeing for summer is high waist. I personally can't rock the high waist swimsuits. It doesn't work for my figure, but it looks great on my girl Naty. So she went with a black swimsuit as well. So it has the higher waist and then a cute little top, and then she threw on a sarong to head from the beach inside when we headed in for lunch. Another great swimsuit trend this summer: stripes. I love stripes in general. Striped shirts, striped sweaters, striped dresses, and striped swimsuits. This one's really cool because the bottoms are reversible, so you can go from stripes to florals, and it mixes prints in the top with the stripes and the florals. And since it's blue and white, it had a bit of a nautical vibe. So I just threw on a pair of white denim shorts and then a white button-down shirt, which I always bring on beach vacations because you can use it as a shirt or you can unbutton it and use it as a cover-up when you're heading in from the beach. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's summer trend guide. I love taking you with me to Jamaica. Let me know what you want to see next, and make sure to subscribe because there's new videos every Thursday.